This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 34 Applet Programming I. This video introduces the concept of applet programming, revisiting various mechanisms, concepts, ideas, and techniques involved in developing interactive applets. Applets are small programs embedded within web pages, enabling user interaction and enhancing applications with visually appealing, window-like interfaces, a capability unique to Java. It outlines the process of creating, compiling, and viewing a simple Java applet program, explaining the structure of the HTML file used for embedding the applet and the general applet code structure. An applet program's structure consists of four main parts: imports, class, variables, and methods, with the init, start, stop, paint, and destroy methods being particularly crucial for developers to overwrite. These core applet methods serve specific purposes, such as initialization, execution, stopping, displaying content, and removing the applet from memory. The init method plays a vital role in initializing the applet, setting its size and display configuration, while the paint method is used for rendering graphics, and the drawRect method from the graphics package can be employed to draw rectangles based on input parameters. HTML files can pass parameters to applets, allowing for dynamic modification of their output, such as controlling the size and position of a drawn rectangle, as demonstrated in the provided example. While applets and applications share some similarities, they differ in several ways, including their purpose, coding structure, execution environment, and versatility, with applications being more feature-rich and independent, while applets are limited and browser-dependent. Applets face restrictions in terms of reading, writing files, accessing libraries, and running any program due to security considerations, limiting them to the IEWT and Swing packages for their graphical user interfaces. In summary, applet programming focuses on developing interactive GUIs within web pages, but modern browsers no longer support applets due to security concerns, and applets have limitations compared to standalone Java applications, emphasizing the importance of understanding their structure, methods, and purpose. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.